Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Achilleas are more commonly known as yarrow. They come in all sorts of different colours. They're really lovely plants to have for cottage garden looks. You can have them for wildflower looks. They're also drought tolerant. The real benefit of them is it doesn't bring in just in the bees and the butterflies, the pollinators. It also brings in beneficial insects such as hoverflies, lacewings, ladybirds. They're really useful to have in the garden because they eat things like aphids, which are the kind of bugs that you don't want. They're semi-evergreen, which means that they do kind of keep some of their leaves. We have the flowers at the top. They actually look quite attractive when they die off, so if you get to the end of the summertime, in the autumn time, it can be quite nice just to leave them really because they're looking quite nice. But if it's earlier in the season, it's worth cutting them back to see if you can get a second flowering. They're a plant that shoots from the base, and you can see they tend to come out and flower roughly all at the same time, which means they all run out of steam at the same time. So there's no point taking off individual flowers. What you're doing is cutting back to base. This plant is not something that commonly happens, but it's actually put up some nice new growth in the middle for us. So we can leave that and take away the old grotty bits. As if we're going all the way down to base, because that's where it's going to regrow from, right from the ground again. And actually, that's already looking nice and pretty again already for us. It's that often there won't be any nice flowers left, so you would just be cutting right down hard. We can see here. Really gone down quite low there. There's new growth and that will soon shoot back up again.